In Argentina, the Seventh-day Adventist Church experienced a historic moment with the reopening of its administrative headquarters and a church. The church's president, Ted Wilson, emphasized that these renovations are essential to strengthen faith and expand service to the community.
The reopening of the Seventh-day Adventist Church spaces in Argentina, with the administrative headquarters in Vicente López and the church in the Florida neighborhood in the metropolitan area of Buenos Aires, marks an important step in strengthening the church's mission in the country. The headquarters, which coordinates the church's activities throughout Argentina, and the church together reinforce the commitment to evangelism and community service. Ecclesiastical and civil authorities participated in the celebration. During the gratitude service at the Florida church, Wilson highlighted that having modern and beautiful buildings should serve as tools to attract more people to make a decision for Jesus. The pastor joined the orchestra, playing the clarinet and announcing, through music, the soon return of Jesus. In his speech, Wilson emphasized that the most important thing is to focus on the surrounding community, with a sense of urgency to advance the mission of sharing the message of hope and salvation in Christ.
To help people in this great metropolitan area of Buenos Aires make a decision for Jesus.
Ayudar a las personas que están aquí en esta gran ciudad de Buenos Aires para que ellos puedan tomar su decisión por Jesús también.
Because you belong to a worldwide family.
Recuerden que ustedes pertenecen a una iglesia mundial.
Over 23 million brothers and sisters around the world pointing people to Jesus' soon coming.
Más de 23 millones de personas, miembros de iglesia, que lo que están haciendo es apuntar al hecho de que Jesús está regresando.
This is God's Advent movement.
Este es el movimiento de Dios, el movimiento adventista de Dios.
This is His remnant church.
Esta es su iglesia remanente.
During his visit to Argentina, Wilson and his wife Nancy were surprised when they arrived at the Buenos Aires airport and were greeted by their daughter, Catherine, and granddaughter, Charlotte, who live in the United States. Catherine has a connection with the church in Argentina. She spent time volunteering at River Plate Adventist University, and now she took the opportunity to reunite the family, sharing experiences about missionary life, which often requires families to travel a lot. This special moment was a surprise for the Wilsons and a chance to spend time together.